In the beginning, when I first started playing shows for senior communities, I thought that a gig was just a gig. I go in there with my amplifier and my guitar, and I do as best a show as I could, and I charm everybody, and then I'd pack up everything, and then I'd leave. But what I didn't realize at the very beginning is that I wasn't just walking into a gig, but I was walking into a network of decision makers, of caregivers, of volunteers, of family members, and relationships that can multiply. In this video, we're going to talk about the entire world of opportunities that you can find yourself having after playing just one great gig. A show isn't just a regular show, especially when you're trying to build your business. You want to have your audience like you, you want to play the songs that they love, you want to get everybody smiling, and get everybody happy. But another thing that you want to consider is you want to make the activity director, the person that hired you, you want to make them look really good. You want to make them feel like they made the right decision bringing you into their community. And ideally, you want them to be happy to see their residents happy, to see everybody smiling, and having their community being better off based from a visit from you and your show. You want to get referred back, you want to get opportunities to play more shows at their communities, but what you may not realize is that doing one great show at a community can open up an entire different opportunity for playing other types of gigs within this community. For example, you could find yourself being invited to play for a family event or for a holiday party. Or you could find yourself being invited to play for a networking event or an open house or a fundraising event. Gigs that won't necessarily put you in front of an audience of seniors, but an audience of staff or an audience of seniors and family members. Maybe the event is perhaps a barbecue where you find yourself outside of this community and you're playing for all of the residents' families and potential families that may be considering bringing their relative or their loved one to live in this community, and you find yourself playing background music or something like that. You might find yourself playing for gigs that aren't necessarily constrained to the normal hour of a show that you're sitting in front of seniors and you're doing your shows. Here's the beginning, here's the show, here's the end, but you could be playing for an hour and a half, 2 hours, 2.5 hours. You might be playing in the evenings, or you may be playing at a completely different event that is maybe perhaps onboarding new staff and new people coming into the community that care for the residents. At these types of events, you're playing more, you can charge a whole lot more because you're playing a whole lot more music and you're also complementing an existing event. There may be an entirely different budget designated for just these types of events. So one gig, if the activity director loves you and they see that you're making their residents happy and everybody in the community happy, they can invite you back to do these types of events, which eventually expands your reputation within that community and gets you referred to other communities. You can be referred to several communities that would be like a sister community to one place that you're playing at could have like an owner that owns two places that are similar, one on one side of town and one on the other side of town. And those directors talk to each other and oftentimes they share vendor lists. And if you play a good show for their seniors and you get on that list, you can get invited not just back to this one community you played at, but to their sister community. Also, if you expand your world of understanding when it comes to senior communities in a corporate setting. For example, there's a community that I play for called Benchmark. And Benchmark, you may have heard of, has communities all across the country. And there are many Benchmark communities in the Northeast where I reside. And I've discovered that one community playing an awesome show can lead you to a referral to another community within Benchmark, can lead you to another community within Benchmark, can lead you to another community within Benchmark, and then all of a sudden you have this list of 25, 30, 40 communities that you get referred to based off one successful show. So if you just think about one show doing really, really well and making the best impression that you can, that one gig could potentially fill your whole calendar for the next couple of months based on the opportunities you get from just doing that one show. playing one successful show for a big corporate company. For example, if we were to play one show at a Benchmark community and you get referred to other communities within Benchmark, that also opens the doors for you to do music for corporate events. Maybe they're doing onboarding for a bunch of activity directors at a specific location and you can get invited to doing something like that. The bigger the opportunity, typically the bigger the opportunity for you to charge more money, because this is a performance that could be considered more valuable and you can shine your love and light on the entire community of people being trained instead of just playing for seniors. This is a great opportunity to think about if you're looking to scale your business and you're just doing this kind of part-time. One really good show can lead to several dozen other shows just by following up efficiently, staying in contact with the director, and really making them look good by consistently doing awesome shows at their community. You can go from part-time to full-time in this business just like that. By doing one awesome show, just consider your audience and who you're playing for. Like, that might be in the audience. You might have seniors that have family members that are there, maybe local like school board counselors, maybe people that are higher up in the decision-making scale for schools and education and for the community events. You could be playing for staff and all these other volunteers, but all of these opportunities can help you to expand your reputation, not just within the senior community world or the senior corporate world, but in your community in general. You could maybe be invited to do a show at a library, or a farmer's market event, or a community event, or you could be invited to do a show at a senior center. And every one of these venues, although they're not necessarily for a community center, for a senior community center, you're doing the same show. You're doing the same songs that you know and love. You don't necessarily have to create a completely different set list, because oftentimes you're going to be background for these events anyways. So you can do a show for your local community at a community center, and then you can do a show for, let's say, people that are training at a corporate event, or any kind of background music within the community. Because there's people that see your show, they see how good you are after that one show playing for seniors, and it can open up a whole world of opportunities for events outside that senior community world. If you're looking to create like a meaningful impact and experience a lot of fulfillment, I found that playing for seniors is one of the best ways to do that, but you can also expand your reach and open up more opportunities for yourself. For, let's say, like you're doing maybe reaching out to a newspaper, and you could be like a feature in a newspaper story, or you could be asked to do like a TV interview, or you could inspire other people through your own work and setting your own example on how we be a good community member and play music for our senior communities. You can inspire others to do the same thing and just compound your reach. You can inspire kids to play music. You can inspire your family to volunteer. You can have this incredible effect on people throughout the community and encourage them to not only shine love and light by using the music that they love and playing for seniors, but by volunteering and just being a really good human being. The power of one great show can drastically affect your trajectory for your career in this business. Whether you are looking to just add a few more part-time gigs to your monthly calendar, or if you're looking to make the leap from a job that you don't necessarily like and doing this full-time. Just understand that there are tremendous opportunities from just doing one show really, really well. If we haven't met before, my name is Chris Ekblom, and I help everyone that loves music share their music with the world, and specifically share their music with senior communities and earn a living. And if you want to check out the rest of the videos on my channel, that will definitely help you get started on the right foot. I hope that your experience playing for seniors is extremely fulfilling, and I hope that you understand that a gig isn't just a gig. You go into this community, you do the best that you can, you make an awesome first impression, and I think you'll be surprised at all the doors that it opens within not just the senior community world, but in all the gigs you could be playing throughout your community. I'll see you in the next video.